Hi guys, you are welcome to Jibril Enterprise. In today's video, we are going to talk about serendipity bearing, scientifically known as Diocoreophyllum Cumminsii. It is a miraculous fruit that contains a highly sweetening protein called monilin or serendip. This protein is the sweetest known naturally occurring substance that is 3,000 times sweeter than sucrose and approximately 100,000 times as potent as sugar on a molar basis. The Diocoreophyllum fruit is a white fruit and commonly found in the rainforest in Ghana and some parts of West Africa. This fruit is underutilized and is among the endangered crops found in Ghana. It is one of the West African indigenous fruits that has received poor attention from scientific research and funding, even though it is a reservoir of many nutritional and medicinal potentials. Apparently, in Ghana, the substantial quantity of this plant is fading because they are always harvested in the wild by farmers who know them. Per my research, there is no known plantation of this plant in Ghana, and I highly recommend its production. Due to its unique taste, children always patronize its consumption, which increases its hunting during its harvesting season. The monilin found in this fruit could be used as a substitute to sugar for diabetics, dieters, and for a healthier lifestyle. It has the potential of being utilized in the formulation of food and drugs to enhance diets of other vulnerable groups. This fruit has a long shelf life of about 4 weeks stored at room temperature without losing its sweetness, but will depreciate its freshness. This plant is a perennial climbing plant with stems up to 1 meter long. The stems often become more or less woody and persist, scramble over the ground and twine into other plants for support. The seeds of this plant contains high quantity of oil, which are made up of unsaturated fatty acids. The Diocoreophyllum Cumminsii is threatened and could go into extinction if appropriate action for its propagation, production, and conservation are not undertaken immediately. The propagation of this plant from seeds is very easy and do not require any special measures or pre-treatment method. To propagate them, first fill your nursery bags with your organic fertile soil or planting medium of your choice. Plant the seeds in your nursery bags by putting 1 or 2 seeds per bag with a planting depth of 4 to 5 centimeters. Kindly water the content partially. Please avoid ponding of water to avoid seeds rotting. Continue your watering pattern until germination. At 3 to 4 weeks, you will start to see first germination of your Diocoreophyllum Cumminsii. You can transplant your seedlings whenever you like. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to this channel for our subsequent videos. Bye bye for now.